How to craft math games for your classroom. Are you ready to transform your classroom into a fun learning hub? Crafting math games can make learning enjoyable and interactive. Let's dive into how you can create engaging math games that will captivate your students. First, start by identifying the specific math skills or concepts you want your students to practice. This could be anything from addition and subtraction to shapes or problem solving. Having a clear focus will guide your game design. Next, think about the game format. Choose a familiar style that can be adapted for math practice. Popular options include bingo, scavenger hunts, tic-tac-toe, or board games. These formats are easy to modify and keep students engaged. Now let's create the materials. Use everyday items like paper, cards, markers, and classroom objects. For example, you can design number cards, shape cutouts, or problem-solving cards. Laminating these pieces can make them durable and reusable, which is a great way to save time and resources. Incorporating movement is essential. Engage students physically by adding actions. For instance, in a math version of Twister, label spots with numbers or equations. Call out math problems, and students place their hands or feet on the correct answers. This combines physical activity with math practice. Clear instructions are key. Write simple, step-by-step directions so students can understand and play independently or in groups. This will help them feel confident as they engage with the game. Testing your game is important. Try it out with a small group to see if it meets your learning goals and is enjoyable. Be open to modifying rules or materials based on feedback. Here are some practical examples to inspire you. Math Twister is a fun way to practice calculations. Label spots with numbers or equations. Call out problems, and students place their hands or feet on the correct answers. For a Shape Scavenger Hunt, provide a list or pictures of shapes for students to find around the classroom. They can tally and graph their results, practicing counting and data representation. Guess My Number is another engaging game. Use laminated number grids and dry erase markers. Students guess a secret number by asking questions and eliminating possibilities, which strengthens their number sense. For Strikes and You're Out is a game where you write equations with missing digits. Students guess the digits to complete the equation, receiving strikes for wrong guesses. This encourages logical thinking and arithmetic skills. You can also create a maze game. Design a sequence of math problems where the answer to one leads to the next. Students follow the path to solve the maze, reinforcing problem solving and accuracy. Lastly, math tic-tac-toe can be a competitive way to practice. Fill a tic-tac-toe grid with math questions. Students answer to claim squares, blending competition with skill practice. When crafting these games, focus on making them visually appealing and hands-on. Use colorful cards, laminated sheets, and handmade game boards. This approach not only supports math learning but also inspires creativity in your classroom. By integrating crafts and do-it-yourself elements, you can personalize games to fit your students' interests and needs. This makes math both accessible and enjoyable. So, gather your materials and let the crafting begin.